morning we have today. Would you guys agree? The sun is shining, the skies are bright, and it also brightens our day, not to mention the beautiful and friendly faces you have brought in today. So we could not ask for anything more or more wonderful day than to celebrate and raise our flags together. So on behalf of Philippine Heritage Council of Manitoba, of course, I'd also like to give thanks to our founder, Tita Perla Havare, our executive committee, our member organization, and individual members. We extend our warm welcome to all of you joining us today. Today, we raise the Philippines, Canada, Manitoba. I just have to pause for a little. If I can get the attention at the back, please. Thank you. So today, we raise the flags of the Philippines, Canada, Manitoba, and City of Winnipeg flags. For many people, a flag is simply a symbol. But for me, and I know of many of us gathered here, it represents something much deeper. A flag tells a story. The Philippine flag reminds us of the rich history, our resilience, the pride we have in our culture and tradition. The Canadian flag reminds us of opportunities, freedom, and the sense of belonging we found in this country that many of us call home. The Manitoba and City of Winnipeg flag reminds us of the place we live, raise our families, create friendships, and continue to contribute to the growth of our communities. As we watch the flags rise together, it reminded of us something very special. The flags rise side by side, not above the other. We are not choosing one identity over another. Instead, we are celebrating all parts of who we are as we proudly honor our Filipino roots while embracing the communities that have welcomed us and allow us to grow. And isn't that what community is all about? Growing together, supporting one another, standing together, and celebrating each other's success. This year's theme, Ang Diwa ng Pilipino, the Filipino spirit. We are reminded of our values, our love for our heritage, and our bayanihan. Today, as we stand beneath these flags, we are reminded that our strength comes for coming together as one. As this is what PHCM mission is all about, to promote and share the unique Filipino spirit with Manitobans and the broader society through meaningful partnerships. Sa ngalan po ng PHCM, taos-puso po kaming nagpapasalamat sa pagmamahal at pagpapahalaga sa ating komunidad. Ito po ay patuloy na nagpapatibay sa ating hangarin na pagpapahalaga at pagdidiwang ng pamanang Pilipino. On behalf of PHCM, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for the love and appreciation you continue to show to our Filipino community. Your support strengthens our efforts to preserve and celebrate our identity and fill us with pride to be Filipino Canadians. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas, ang Canada at ang ating komunidad. Maraming salamat po.